I have this air purifier by the brand Canopy. This is definitely not your ordinary air purifier. It also has essential oils, of which I will show you how to use that. It has air quality monitoring. It automatically detects pollutants and adjusts the speed for that. This originally was meant to be for your baby's room, a nursery, but I am going to give it to my granddaughter. I've been trying it for a week in my bedroom and I love it because of the fact that it has essential oils. And a little sneak peek, this is where you put the essential oils. This is the little slip. And they give you 2 of these for your essential oil. This is called Unwind. And it smells really, really nice. It actually has a calming effect. Another thing I love about this air purifier is I don't have to worry about downloading an app. It's automatic. As I said, it detects the air quality, so you don't have to worry about it. It does plug in on this side here, and it comes with a USB charging cable as well if you want to charge it that way. It has a sleep safe auto mode and it will turn itself off at night. It also has a little light right here, which is a nice addition to it. As I said, there's no app. It has 3 different settings right here, and you just press the button for the different settings. This is 2 and this is 3. So you can hear it. That's number 3. So that's the highest setting there is. And then it goes down from there. This is really effective for our air quality. I love the fact that it does that automatically. It controls the air quality automatically. It gives you a good size. Actually, this came with 2, the essential oils, and you just add it to the pad. I'll show you. 10 drops to the pad like this. Whoops. And then let it soak in for a few seconds. And then you pop it in like that, and then your whole room will smell really nice. The smell isn't overpowering at all. This does come in a couple of different colors. Canopy is a wonderful brand. Their products are very high quality, and I can't say enough about this one. You can also lay it on this side if you'd like to, and you keep it 6 inches away from your bed or any other large pieces of furniture.